Hello everyone, welcome back to the Equipower channel. This is Tamara. Today we are diving into the modern UI in Acumatica 25R1. This version really steps up. Ready to check it out? Well, I see you nodding impatiently. Okay, let's jump right in. Starting with Acumatica 24R1, the modern UI became available for users, offering a great set of tools to improve the system appearance, usability, personalization, and performance. In 25R1, Acumatica made it possible to convert even more screens to the new interface. The modern UI is not production ready yet, but you can test it. Let's see the different ways you can enable it in a test environment and get a closer look at its time-saving features and smooth navigation. If you want to enable the modern UI for an existing instance, edit the web.config file. Under the App Settings tab, add the key displayed on your screen. Also, you can copy this key from the description box. Another option is to enable the modern UI when deploying an instance. You can enable it directly in the website configuration wizard by selecting the Enable Modern UI checkbox. After enabling it, open the Acumatica system and go to the sitemap. You'll see two buttons on the form toolbar. Switch to the modern UI, which applies the new interface to all available screens at once, and switch to the classic UI, which restores all converted screens back to the original interface. If you want to switch the UI for a specific screen, use the UI dropdown. When switching between UIs, Acumatica updates the screen URL. If you're converting all screens at once, keep in mind that some of them can't be converted yet. Pivot tables, reports, Wiki editor, custom screens cannot be converted, along with a few others. In this case, Acumatica will display the corresponding error message. Please pay attention to the dashboards. They are available in test mode, but cannot be converted from the sitemap. When switching UIs, you will get a notification that it's not supported. However, you can still enable the modern UI directly from a selected dashboard. Just open the dashboard, click Design, switch to Modern UI. Wait a moment for the system update. Now you have the Support Manager dashboard displayed in the modern view. With the modern dashboard, you can easily move the widgets across the board. Just drag and drop them in any order you like. Let's have a look at new widget options and widget properties. You can see now how much they have improved. Setting parameters is now quicker and easier than ever. If you want to convert the screen you're currently viewing, open the Tools menu and click Switch to Modern UI. Wait a moment for the update. Going back to Classic, use Tools and click Switch to Classic UI. Okay, this was just a quick update on what Acumatica prepared for its users with the modern UI 25R1. But there is more to come. In the next video, we'll show you how to convert custom screens into modern UI. Take a moment to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss it. Until then, happy exploring and may your business thrive with Acumatica ERP. See ya in the next video.